The model is powered by a Pratt Whitney Canada PT6A-140 turboprop engine that churns out a maximum 867 horsepower, a huge leap from our previous Caravan. At best, this unit can cruise up to 185 knots or 342 kilometers per hour and a maximum range of 912 nautical miles or 1,689 kilometers. Furthermore, 2,642 pounds of available cargo can be held in its 8,807 pounds of maximum gross weight. Like the Caravan, this bush plane can accommodate a range of 10 to 14 passengers. All that is offered at a base price of around $2.85 million.